offense the very tedious bo. Now after the arrest, that the Mathias were the mainline phone where OJT information where my phone anymore here. I believe on we be no run car before. But when I was calling soliciting now you because money I gave me Mathias happy there 1 week or there this weekend. And I could have now Mathias able to provide their phone OG. Phone now on my phone anymore here. No one phone Mbabu with that phone now. I don't go to my live video. No one the main line of phone OG with my phone anymore here. After phone that trade because of na everywhere they hot. Manda room more everybody they hot. They left that phone. So they are now asking him. Now when they get release yegi. DJ with the phone Emma phone anymore here. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depends on your locations. I'm Mathias Park. Iri Igbo, yes. Because I want you guys to come close. Kaitio Kuono. Because again, Igwa Magi Ibezia. Koemetre obruna bube iku amagi ibezia nkoemetere obruna bube ihe obodo ima na ime mmadu o mmadụ meegi na oge enweghị iwe kaba ahụ ya bụ ime mmadu. Obuli ga-enye m ntị gị nye m obi gị naanị nkeji ole ma ole ka ị kwuo okwu a n'ebe ọ dị omimi maka na ebe okwu si abịa etoka Mathias is our brother. I am egbu and I am ata maka gịnị na ndị Igbo bụ ofu. Onye wa na-asụ Igbo ọsọ abụrụ delta. For the fact that na-asụ Igbo, Igbo onye Igbo, anyị ncha bụ ofu. Ọ na-aka nnọọ mma ka ikuku kuo ka afọ ike ọka anya. And ọ na-aka mma ka ife mee ma ozu anwụ na. Maka na gbara fere ofe, ọ dị very very bad, ọ dị ezigbote njọ. Show me there in the comment section because I don't want anything that will distract me from what I'm going to say now or the kind of ukunchori uku now. Ekubora me here before in a video made before because I'm a man of diplomacy and I'm a man with the little wisdom God gave me. I try to use it well, not minding whom it may offend. Issue of Mathias etibugo me ono before. Mana ka ngwazu na ebe okwu si arepụta na because okwu na arepụta na. Okwu na negene, okwu na arepụta. Ekwuola me before we kwuo say na etu esi we bata n'ụlọ okpukpere ebe Mathias na-ekpe okpukpere. Bia maburu Mathias na ma like here. Now I'm against it. Because gini na ọ bụ na nkwuo nke ezigbo ife esoro nnaba bem. Nkwuo nke ọjọọ ihe ọjọọ eme gini esoro nnaba. Ejidere m onwe m ogu, jidere onwe m ọfọ. Onye kwuo nke ọma soro nnaba be. Onye kwuo nke ọjọọ be gini sore na babe mo abo yi zikuru si na ma like retus be maburu Mathias na ebe ọ na-aka ụka. But at the same time, respect is a reciprocal. Whatever you wish that men will do to you, do it even though to those that loves you. Maka na ezoro ndo yuku ezoro nyenta. Breach of life is for the poor and for the rich. I don't want to boys call me. Okuna Patakita currently now upon again. Na Mathias sendere Ndi Birana Igbo azo rifle a police officer. Na sendere Ndi na Igbo. And they have the video. Then again say because currently Mua say Vesokumayo see release Mathias. Let this thing be a warning to everyone, or even warning to him. Isokumeku. Never got a call and then will keep on my own capacity. Came again release here. Manoku release of Mathias Ezeaku or the beyond me and beyond some of many lawyers. Mahagene. No, but I say, Okwa hedge make webia can ekuzi. No, kwa ekuzi na kata abuna. That you are dragging rifle with a police officer. Nka one. Egudoku okwa weba na akasan senior advocate of Nigeria. My brother, iyomi ge mero okwa abo ifolo okwa with peace. Ifolo okwa with violence. You are hurting the person. Ejimage ekudioku. Nana drag Yegbe with a police officer, cab offense number 1, according to the information on now. Then the main offense said the very tedious Tarobo. Now after the arrest, that the Mathias were the mainline phone where OJT information were more phone anymore here. I believe on we heard no car before. But when I was calling soliciting now you be cook how many hage me Mathias have there 1 week or there this weekend. And I could have now Mathias able to provide their phone oji. Phone now home flu ni more here. No one phone mgbe with that phone now bro go je live video. No one the main line of phone oji with them phone ni more here. After phone because of now everywhere they hot. Manda room more everybody they hot. They left that phone. So they are now asking him. Now when they get release yegi. DJ with the phone Emma phone ni more here. If you know could have a sad is at all. Okuna diri. Mandana mo mugu. Mandana mo mewu is not on my business. Put yourself in a shoe. Put yourself in a shoe. If this thing happened to you, will Mathias come and solicit for help? If Mathias, if this thing happened to you, if you as a person, if you have problem, will Mathias come for your help? What a wound is yoku. Peradventure, Mobeleganya, only family today, Machukwena, and you are a celebrity, or your name, Nona, yes, even a public figure. I need a joker. Obru niya megi, Mathias or you kwezi boku ni sigi. The answer is no. Oku adene side sato. Mathias were phone we. Too funny more. You know I don't talk anyhow. If you like, call me name. It's none of my business. If you like, you follow me. If you unfollow me today, 50 people will follow me in next 1 hour. People that know the truth. Online ni na jugoyi. Social media ni na jugoyi. Because of getting one hair channel can arrest. Everybody now rule of law. Everybody rule of law, due process, realistic. Davido can wenro. Unu de unna baby go biafa. Una ama ihe na-eme Mathias ebosi. Una no know what thing they happen to Mathias. Una ma ebosi. For a son, a well-known son, senior advocate of Nigeria, Ibe against Mathias. Joe the woman ajojo. If I can go beyond charge and bail lawyer. for governors to make call. Oh, is that guy? Or Mathias, make una hold him. For governor to make call. Oh, Mathias, make una hold him where I am coming to Abuja. I am not happy, and I can never be happy. I did Mathias, more personally self, them land but I did not use it against him. He's my brother, and he's still my brother, and I still recognize him for the good things for the Ndi Igbo, or the Arozibor for the fact of Igbo, or that Mathias is doing a very nice thing, very tangible work for Ndi Igbo. Obana go didn't do a honors on them, mother, other easy. Manena Soyabundo, Zonda on your own calling.